Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to mute any hashtag on Twitter. So follow the step. Open X app on your mobile and make sure you are logged in. Then tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Now scroll down and tap Setting and Support. And tap Setting and Privacy. Again tap on Privacy and Safety. Then select Mute and Block. Here tap on Mute Words. Now tap the plus icon in the bottom right. In the text field, type the hashtag you want to mute, like example. Now show where to mute. Home timeline, notification, any or people you don't follow, as you wish. Then select a duration, forever, 24 hours, 7 days, 30 days, for how long you want to keep it mute. Then tap on Save in the top right corner. That's it, hashtag is now mute and you won't see tweet related to it anymore. If you have any questions, please tell us known in the comments. Thanks for watching.